Another sign of more normal days ahead, the CDC today announced that fully vaccinated people traveling is a low risk. At the same time, the CDC is not officially recommending people travel at this time. Joe Hankey has the details as a potentially busy holiday travel weekend is underway.
Officials with Hartsfield-Jackson Toll 11 Alive, more than 900,000 travelers are expected this weekend as air travel continues to rebound. But as you can see here, the total number of monthly passengers at Hartsfield is still well below pre-pandemic levels. As more Americans start to travel, though, the CDC is announcing domestic travel is low risk now for adults who are fully vaccinated, meaning 2 weeks have passed since their last needed dose. CDC Director Dr. Rochelle Walensky, though, is not going as far as advocating for any non-essential travel.
While we believe that fully vaccinated people can travel at low risk to themselves, CDC is not recommending travel at this time due to the rising number of cases.
Walensky this morning said only around 20% of the U.S. population is fully vaccinated, and cases are on the rise, which still gives her concern. But if you decide to travel domestically, here are the CDC's updated recommendations. Non-vaccinated travelers should get tested before and after traveling, self-quarantine for 7 days once they return, or 10 days if they do not get tested, self-monitor for symptoms, and wear a mask and take other precautions while traveling. Fully vaccinated domestic travelers only need to follow the last 2 recommendations.
For example, fully vaccinated grandparents can fly to visit their healthy grandkids without getting a COVID-19 test or self-quarantining, provided they follow the other recommended prevention measures while traveling.
If traveling internationally and you are fully vaccinated, you do not need to be tested before leaving, according to the CDC, unless required by your destination. And the CDC still lists having a negative test result before returning to the U.S. as mandatory. You should also be tested after returning from an international destination as a precaution, but do not need to quarantine.